In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoticons in Outlook. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair to your emails or simply want to express yourself in a fun way, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. You can easily access this from any web browser by typing in the URL or searching for it online. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Give that a click, and you'll be directed to the sign-in page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Just type in your email and password to access your account. If you have two-step verification set up, be sure to complete that process as well. Once everything is entered correctly, click on the Next button to proceed. Now that you have successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Outlook dashboard. This is your command center for managing emails, calendars, and more. For today's purpose, we're focusing on creating a new email. Look to the top left corner of your screen and you'll see an option to create new mail. Once you've spotted it, give it a click to open a new email draft. With your new email draft open, it's time to direct your attention to the email body. This is where you'll write your message and, of course, insert those emoticons. To start editing, simply click within the message field to activate the text cursor. Next, journey to the top menu of your email interface. Here, you will find various tabs to enhance your email. Locate the Insert tab and click on it. This tab is a treasure trove of features designed to help you customize your email content, including adding attachments, images, and our focus for today, emoticons. In the Insert menu, you'll notice a section labeled Emoji. Selecting this will open a panel filled with a variety of emoticons that you can choose from. Feel free to browse through the options to find those that best suit the tone and sentiment of your email. Once you find the perfect one, click on it, and just like that, it will be inserted directly into your email message. And there you have it, the simple, straightforward process of adding emoticons to your emails in Outlook. This small feature can have a big impact on how your messages are perceived, adding personality and clarity to your communications. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you leave today feeling confident in your ability to brighten up your emails. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.